Recording?
Yeah.
Alright, so our leaky valve here is a Pex A connection into our incoming water supply for the whole house. So this valve needs to be replaced. We have another valve, which I ordered. Right here. It's a Pex A, as you can see the rings on it make it a Pex A. And I've got tons of extra pipe I ordered. And I got expander sleeves right here. Get it right off Amazon. I got a heat gun, which I bought. I bought a crew kit, $80 on a Black Friday deal. A rotating eye crimp, as opposed to the $500 Milwaukee electric tool. And that's it. Oh, and you're also going to need a utility knife.
And the pipe cutter.
And the pipe cutter. And the pipe, which you can take a video of there. So let me go turn. Why not?
Easy.
Okay. That should do it. And empty the sink. Probably want to shut these off too. I have to turn the heat off.
No dripping there.
You shouldn't. There's no water.
No, that's what I said. There's no dripping there.
No.
Okay.
All right. You could pause it.
Yep.
All right. So you could just film the whole thing.
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna cut this sleeve off and cut the pipe underneath. That goes all the way up to that elbow, and we're gonna do the same up there. So we just emptied all the water out, and we're gonna heat it up. Should be good. This isn't as soft. It's not as soft as the other one.
Oh.
Don't want to heat
You need it longer.
Yeah, you could stop it. I feel like a surgeon. All right. You can cut through there a little. I just don't want to heat it up too much. You throw that away. All right. Here we go. Put that valve there.
Okay.
Oh, I was wondering if you can hold that. Can you hold that? Keep going. There we go. Okay. right, we're just going to wait for that to settle about 30 seconds. Then attach to the wall. Alright, so we're going to anchor the valve onto the wall. So make some pilot holes. Okay. Put the real drill in. Anchors in? You got it? Okay. Pull that out of the way. Stop it. I think it needs to be bigger.
Okay.
It's my phone. Look at that. That's gonna be tighter. Alright, so you recording?
Yep.
Alright, so we're measuring the piece down to the bottom. So we got 32 inches. Exactly. Alright. Probably best. Probably to go a little further.
Yeah, you can always cut it.
That's 32. Probably up to
Measure twice, cut once.
yeah. Pretty stiff. So probably go to there. Make it as straight as possible. Okay. It does turn a little bit. All right, so we need to put the one on here and one on the other. And film it. It only likes to go one way. It's the one with the, see how there's a smooth end? There's a kind of etched end. So the etched end's on the outside.
What you're gonna do first?
Just hold that.
Okay.
We're just gonna open this one end. See, after I do the 3, I'll do a 4th. That's pretty. Make sure it gets all the way up there. tight fit. You can pause it.
Move it.
If you could. Three and four. Fit pretty good. That's everything. Uponor, Pex. Yep.
Going back in for the test.
Back to turn the water on.
There we go. Off right now. Nope. Again.
If you want to turn off the water.
Second attempt to see if actually waiting for a little bit to turn the water back on for those to set. Nope, still leak.
Okay. All right.
Leak up at the top. Leaking all the way through. Another test. Nope.
Where's it leaking?
Well, now it's not leaking at the top. Well, leaking right at the connector at the bottom here. It's not leaking at the top, it's leaking at the connector.
Okay.
At the bottom, at the elbow. Steady flow. Definitely got a leak. It's not leaking at the top.
Oh, good. So you can leave that one there. Just the bottom. Okay. We ready to test? See if it works. All right. Ready?
Yeah, the handle's down. It's off.
Okay. You want to turn it on?
You want me to turn it on?
Yeah.
Okay. Is the water on?
Not yet.
Oh.
Here it comes. I don't hear any water.
Nope.
You said the switch is on.
The switch is on.
So why are we getting no water? Oh, turn the water on the sink.
Well, I was just waiting to make sure there's no drips.
Okay.
Yep, there's still drip.
Where?
Hold on.
So I guess we need to get a,
Hold on.
a new fitting.
Yep.
The fitting's not working.
It's one little drip. I don't know where it's coming from.
Yeah, it's the same as before though.
No, it's not. It's one little drip right here. See?
Maybe it's from before. I just wiped it away.
I know, but watch, it's coming.
Maybe that's what it was before. Maybe it was that elbow.
It's right here. Something right in here.
So we need to redo it.
It's not coming from up here. It's something.
I think it's the elbow.
Chris.
Yeah. Chris and Ken. All right, so we did have a failure on putting our Pex A, which is the expansion ring, onto this guy because we had a bad valve, which was for Pex B only. So, or sorry, it was Pex A, but we had to replace our Pex A with Pex B, as you can see here, and we use crimps. The only way you can get from Pex A to Pex B is to use this adapter. And we had to make sure that that was super tight. And we go all the way down and we put a brass fitting down here with the crimp connectors on the Pex B, and you can go into the crawl space. And here in the crawl space from our water filter, it's the first filter coming in to this fitting. We do have the old Pex A here with that adapter. It's a male female. Goes from Pex A to Pex B. And we're Pex B all the way up there until we run it back to Pex A. So, in general, I found Pex B to be easier to use because of the crimping. The manual tool we have, maybe it was the manual tool, but or the way I was using it, it wasn't making a good connection. So, now you got it. That's how we did it. That's how we did our plumbing fix.